How to post anonymously on Facebook group. If you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, the first thing you want to do is open up your Facebook application, which is going to look something like this. And all you want to do is go and locate your groups. You can do this on any group. For one, you can just find them in your home, like right here. If you just keep scrolling, you'll find the groups you're in. And another way is going to menu on the bottom right. Then you're going to see the groups section. So mine is on the right under professional dashboard. All I got to do is go ahead and click on that. I can check for you, which is going to show groups that you're in, but also groups that you might not be in as well. Same thing for discover. It's going to show you a lot of different groups if you want to join a group, but you can also press your groups and it's going to show the groups that you're currently in. So if I want to post anonymously, let me just go in this one right now. I want to go to write something. Go ahead and click on that. Then all I want to do is I can pretty much just do anything from here, right? But let's say I want to post anonymously. All I have to do is when I press write something, I could do anonymous post right under write something. So it says I want to post anonymously. Anonymous posts don't include your name or profile photo. Only group admins, moderators, and Facebook systems can see these details. So you just got to press I want to post anonymously. It says participate anonymously at the very top. Then from here, you can type in anything you want and, attach anything. And on the top right, you're going to see the submit button and that's it. Your post is going to be up. And it's going to be super simple and it's going to be up here, but it's going to be anonymous just like this person's anonymous post is showing up right there.